Hey guys, gonna show you my top 5 favorite picks from the store right now. So first up is this like matte pink shiny ball. I just love it. Gonna go with the pink theme right now. So this is our designer netting, our own brand. It is the Princess color.
Yeah.
We call it Princess. But it's got different shades of pink and the full length. And then this little gnome. We have several gnomes to choose from. This is the leopard one, and you can like make his hat, her hat, whatever, do whatever you want. But you can just set these around all year. So super cute. And then this is probably my favorite. It's the polka dot pumpkin. It's giving Kate Spade vibes. It's glittery. And then this rose gold and white fuzzy spray is super cute and can be used like all year round. So that's my top 5 favorites.